Welcome back to work. Now I need a car wash. Got them roofs back though. What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video. Man. I'm about to go pick the charger up and see what the problem was. Hopefully everything fixed. If not though, they gonna have to do something because I'm starting to get irritated. We got Tay out here. Got her daughter all cleaned up. Look at that head on that thing. Gonna take me to pick up the whip. Man, it's clean today. Ooh, look at that orange. That orange hidden. This probably the cleanest. Damn, I done walked right into a damn tree. Smack me right in the head. Let me get in here, Al. Looking. Hurry up, get back. You're on the clock. What's going on, Tay?
Nothing, I'm hungry.
Oh, you always hungry.
No, I'm not.
What the hell you playing in here?
Nothing.
On your Bluetooth.
That's my Bluetooth.
What'd you say?
That was my Bluetooth.
No working ass Tay.
First of all, I'm free today.
Free today?
Free today.
What's the word then?
The sky is the limit. I want to do something fun today.
Like what?
I don't know. Now, don't nobody never want to do nothing. I don't know. You don't go skating, don't go bowling, don't go to the movies. I don't know. I just want to do something fun today.
I ain't no teenager. I don't want to do that shit.
Yeah, what's wrong with going to the movies? What's wrong with going bowling?
But you go to the movies when you know, when somebody's dating or your couple taking your kids and stuff.
No, you don't.
What you trying to go see at the movies?
That's what I wanted to go. I ain't what I want to see right now. I don't want to see none no more.
Oh, but anyway, guys, man, yeah, just the ongoing headache. But actually, I got some good news as far as the charger go. Order my wheels today. So we're gonna have wheels coming for the charger. Plus, I gotta put my seatbelt on. Y'all already know. People in these cruises, they don't know how to drive. They always getting in accidents.
No.
Every time I see I see a cruise on the road, there's been an accident. Insured, that don't mean shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna say insured like that means something. What that
ain't
means?
Nothing gonna happen.
Actually, I gotta put my seatbelt on anyway. You need to put yours on because you driving all the way up to the steering wheel.
I'm short.
No, but still put your seatbelt on. Can't trust you.
Why?
What?
Why?
Can't trust nobody that wear fake hair.
Shit, be like that.
No.
I can trust me.
Okay,
because I don't know
can't
what's
trust you.
underneath this.
Can't trust you with my life. Yeah, got about this much Charlie Brown under there.
No, it's not. It's
definitely Charlie Brown.
In a ponytail in a bun. I ain't
the show ain't no Charlie Baltimore, but you got the Charlie Brown going on under there.
It's cool.
That's a nice color on that car. Anything you want to tell the gang?
I'm hungry as usual. I'm feeling good today. The only thing we can do is go eat.
How you feel about the comments and everything?
Man, listen, I don't care. I don't care because I know what I got going on. But thank you for the people that's, supporting me.
You.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, shout out to the gang. That's a boy. Look at this dude. He hears some music over there bumping. Look, he bad to the mother. Look at him. Look, he trying to look. Hey, Billy, what the hell is going on behind me? Look at him, y'all.
His name could be like Ryan or Ray.
No, that's a George.
You fucking right. Yeah, you right. That's like a George.
Yeah, look, he bad too, boy. Look, he rubbing his nose. He about to call the police.
Call the police for a while.
Good. He looking for that music. He bad. You know they don't like none of that ruckus and noise out here on the west side. That's why they was looking at me. Oh, that's your music was playing?
Yeah.
Who music now? That's somebody behind us.
That's mine.
Oh, that's your bass?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he looking around. Look. He don't even... Alright, guys. We gotta go. Alright, guys. We made it here. Let's see what they got to say. I said I'm looking regularly and need a line and Tay gonna say,
oh my God.
She'll do it. I told her she can't even line her eyebrows up straight. You think I'm gonna let you line me up? Let us see. No. Look right here. Head. So we're gonna go to my house so I can put this up and go back to work. And your daughter Dang, I thought your door was gonna fall off, girl. Alright guys, we made it here. Pick up the car. Get it back to the house. What up, man? Man, what's going on? Where Bob at? He inside. As always, keeping his T-tops up in the shop. What'd you say?
I did it all over it. We took everything out. We did everything.
He sent me a picture.
What up?
He sent me a picture that y'all took it out and put the cushion in there.
I did the whole thing over again. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, but let's see what.
Keys in here? Let's check it out, man. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, it smells like glue in here. Back in the SCATPACK. Oh man. Test this out, man. Gotta make sure, bro. Y'all know I ain't settling for nothing. Nothing. I'm finna take my car home and do a whole investigation. Make sure it ain't making that little noise up here. No more. Can't go. And there wasn't no air noise. It was just like a little noise, like I was showing y'all up in there. So we gonna see how this itch roll.
Minutes later.
She said her hands was cold getting that footage, but I am back at the crib, about to go back to work. Now I need a car wash. Got them roofs back though. The sound pretty much gone. You never heard the sound when the what you call is back anyways, when the roof back, only when it was up. It was like, I can't even explain the sound that it was making, but we got roofs back. So what the hell been over here messing with this, man. I know Al, like, where you at, man? We got real beer swapped and busy today. But, yeah. Check it out, guys. So, yeah, we got it back. Yeah, we got it back. We got it back. I'm about to get up out of here. Go to the shop. Fill that back. Hold on. Ooh, see the pack. See, I ain't even never got to let this one back if I don't want to, but it get a passenger the pleasure of letting the roof back if they want to. And then, of course, you know, we got the main roof, so we can let it back right here. So, I can let my roof back too. Slide it up. This is exactly why you must put safety on first when you with them. Look, all day, all day. Don't try to hide it. Don't try to hide it. Taxing and driving, singing, and all that stuff. Like, what's 1,000 food places around here?
I don't know. I gotta watch my figure.
I'm tired of here. Who you get this shape for?
Me, myself, and I for the summer.
Uh-oh. They gonna be on you. Hot girl summer at the car shows. Satay.
No comment.
That's what she getting ready for. She trying to slim it down for y'all, fellas.
So y'all can see my thick side.
Oh, see? She said it, not me. Go on and get her.
No, you can let. Don't waste your time.
No, they ain't wasting their time.
They is gonna waste their time.
How you know?
If they not my type, they're gonna waste their
how
time.
you know it might be somebody your type?
I don't know.
Yeah, okay. I'm just saying it might be somebody your type, man. Shoot your shot. All they can say is no. Jump in the DM.
I'm scared the hell I should go super slow.
You ain't finna scare me. I'm gonna get right out.
No, you not. You gotta stay here.
No, I ain't. When the police come, I don't know you. Gonna be another episode like with Jay.
Shit, my car was stolen. Shit.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't stolen.
I don't know.
Let me get out of here. Let me get out this hoop. You supposed to did that at first. Bye. Go get you something to eat. Enjoy. Stuff your face. That head over there, man. Back at the shop, guys. Gotta get back to work. Wonder if my boy Velvet Boots back here. Velvet! It ain't the boss. It's just your black brother walking back here. What up, Velvet? Man, it's nice and warm back here. It's weird. Al had the heat on when it's warm outside, and when it's cold as hell, below zero, no heat. Weird, ain't it?
Yeah.
What's going on with you, Velvet? Chilling, chilling?
Yes, sir. Another day.
You got that pile out of here?
Yeah. Hardly working.
Another day down, man. Another day down. Gotta come pick these Forgies up tomorrow and get them up out of here. Take them to get painted. Oh, you know I'm gonna need a hand with these boys. Al done got them trapped up in here. Yep. Who the hell he been showing my wheels to? Yep, extra thirsty. You sure have. Super thirsty. Paint going in here. All the inside pieces getting paint, man. Paint. Al been back here being thirsty, man. We're gonna have to wrap them back up. See, it's definitely time to get it out of there. But anyway, guys, that's the move for tomorrow. I don't know yet until I get down there if I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of Becky. But get in the comment section, let me know if y'all wanna see the Challenger or not. I might show y'all, I might not. You just never know. This your boy CJ on 32s, checking out with my brother Velvet Boots. We out, man.